The high-profile Samsung Galaxy Note 21 announcement are just going to fade up and there is less expectation. But Samsung could launch the Galaxy A32 4G, the Galaxy A52 4G and 5G, and the Galaxy A72 4G and 5G anytime soon in the upcoming few days or weeks. The reason for this is that these three handsets have been in the news from the last couple of months and were even seen at multiple certification benchmark listings. Now the Galaxy A32 4G, the Galaxy A52 4G and the Galaxy A72 4G have gained the Bluetooth SIG certification, implying us that the launch is near. If you go by the Bluetooth SIG certification, all these three devices will have Bluetooth 5.0 support, and that's only the detail we can grab from Bluetooth SIG listing at the moment. Past leaks hint that A32 4G will have the same specs as that of the 5G model, and it might pack a Helio G85 SoC, 6GB of RAM on board. The smartphone is supposed to boot up Android 11 Best One UI 3.0 out of the box. The device was even spotted on a Geekbench a few days back, where it managed to score 343 and 1,258 points in a single core and multiple core test respectively. Moving to the Galaxy A52, it is expected to come in 4G and 5G variants, where differences can even be seen in terms of chipset. The Galaxy A52 5G model will feature an Infinity O display and will have a quad camera setup on its rear as seen in the TINA certification. The smartphone is also expected to measure around 159.9 into 75 into 8.4 millimeter in terms of dimensions and might run on Android 11. The primary camera on the device is supposed to be a 64 megapixel, while the front camera details of the smartphone is still remain under wrap. If you go by the earlier details available, the 5G model might pack Snapdragon 750 G SoC, 6GB and 8GB RAM, along with 128 and 256GB internal storage. On the other hand, the Galaxy A52 4G variant is supposed to come with a Snapdragon 720 SoC and it might pack 8GB of RAM. Both the 4G and 5G model could offer 4,500 mAh battery capacity with support of 15-watt fast charging devices. Leaked pricing suggests that the Galaxy A52 4G variant with 128GB might start at €369, while the 5G model will start at 256GB storage, could retail for €429. As far as the information regarding the Galaxy A72 go, it is said to support a 6.7-inch display dimension-wise, and it is going to become in two 6GB and 8GB RAM with and also the 5,000 mAh battery support, and it is going to be in the market with €449 with 4G model and 509 with the 5G model. If you think you are going to buy these upcoming smartphones of Samsung, make sure to leave a comment below and why you want to buy them, and support other supporters and keep visiting Tig's Schooling.